Hi guys, welcome back, and on today's video we are going to cook fermented porridge. I fermented this flour 4 days ago and now it is ready. I want to cook it. I just took some uji flour, some porridge flour, and added a little bit of water. So today it was ready and I've added more water. So first thing that you need to do after adding water, you make sure you stir the mixture and ensure it is thick a little bit. So I just lighted my fire and this is water. It is boiling, and then I'm using this 3-stone stove to cook. Yeah, so let us do this. I want to cook my porridge with you guys. Filming in the kitchen sometimes can be tricky, but we are hacking it. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for my water to boil up to 100 degrees, and then that is when I add my flour for us to cook uji. So I'm just using these thin sticks to make the fire go up very fast. I don't know if you guys can see. Filming in the kitchen is a little bit tricky and I don't have someone to film me. So guys, this is becoming tricky, but we are hacking it. There goes our fire, and here we are in the kitchen, African kitchen. This is beans shell, and we are just mashing the beans and trying to do winnowing. So we still have some more beans over there to smash before we throw it away. Yeah. So our water has boiled. Let's cook uji. Yes, so the water is boiling and it's ready. So I have to stir this mixture like this until it's thick. That is when I will stop and wait for the porridge to cook. So let's do this. Are you a fan of porridge? If yes, please comment down below. Let me know, how do you cook your porridge? As for me, I wanted to drink my porridge the African way. So I'm just trying to ensure I balance the fire, and that is why I'm adding more firewood inside here. So I'm not supposed to stop this process. I should stir until the porridge is thick. Just as you can see, it has started being thick, so I need to be consistent for it not to spoil. I will need more water so that I can add more water on the porridge because it's becoming thicker. I am back, guys, and the mixture is so thick, very thick. So I need to light up the fire so that you can see the video well, because kukiwa na moshi mob you can't see well. So we will add more water. This is our sugar over here and this is water. So we add water little by little. filming and shooting at the same time is a little bit tricky, but we are hacking it. Yeah, so let's do this. We need to repeat this process and cook it for at least 10 minutes, and then our porridge will be ready to drink. So if you want it this thick, I think you should proceed and add your sugar, but if you want it to be a little bit thin, you can add a little bit water. As for me, I need to add small water, so I think that is enough. So let me continue to stir a little bit. Once it boils, I add my sugar. So comment down below and tell me, how do you cook your porridge back in the village? As that for me in my village, this is how we do it. By the way, guys, this has just been a random video. I was not planning to shoot, but just decided to shoot because I'm trying to be consistent. My camera is not that yet clear, but I think you can see me. So the process continues. We are still cooking our porridge. And the porridge is cooking very well. Everything is okay. My fire is lighting up very well, and wow. So tell me in the comment section, do you like such kind of content? I've been consistent so far, and it's a kudos to me. So please ensure you subscribe. That is the only way you can support this channel. Smash the like button, and you can also share. Yeah, I think I love the viscosity. It is very thick, and this is good to go. I'm becoming a specialist in lighting up the fire day in, day out. Yeah, so let it boil a little bit before I add sugar. So let us pipe. So the good thing about cooking in the kitchen, in the African kitchen, you should have dried firewood. But if you don't have dried firewood, you won't like cooking in the African kitchen because there will be mushy all over, and that will make you cry. So my firewood is well dried up, so, and that's why I'm cooking swiftly. Guys, just as you can see, the porridge is boiling as we were waiting for it to do. Yeah, so it's in good viscosity, and we're just going to add in our sugar. So this is our sugar. I don't know if you're going to use all of it or just it. So I'll just add a little bit of it and then taste. If it's not enough, I will add more. To film me, but because I'm just alone and no one else to help, I'm doing it by my own. So this is how we test when if the sugar is enough or not. You just take your cooking stick and then you drop some little bit of porridge in your hand, and then you taste. I think this one is not yet ready. I need to add some more. So here in the village, people do take porridge in the morning or in the evening. So for me, I decided to cook in the evening because in the morning people drink tea.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. And we can do nothing at all.
So the porridge is ready and it's time for me to remove it from the fire, and then I serve for people to drink. Yeah. So I am just putting it in a jug, and then from there I take it to the house so that people can drink it. Yeah, so we made like 4 cups of porridge and our jug is almost halfway full. So it's time to serve the porridge. Yeah. So let's have a taste. Where the uji is slapping. It's hot and sweet. I'm really enjoying it. Yeah, just seated outside our compound and everything is green over here. Just taking this cup of porridge. Wow. Are you a fan of porridge? If yes, comment down below and tell me how you cook your porridge. I'm just going to talk to someone, telling her how sweet the porridge is, and we're just discussing about the porridge being sweet. She's also having a cup of it. Yeah. And guys, so that is it. I love the porridge and I plan to ferment more flour and cook again. Yeah, so if you want the recipe of how to prepare this porridge, just reach out on my Instagram. My name is Faywiz and I'll give you tips on how to ferment porridge back at home. This porridge does not have preservatives, and the flour, we did it ourselves, so the cup is halfway full. Bye bye. See you on the next one.